What are you doing, little girl?
Look, everyone. It's light green when I scoop it.
This is?
A jelly.
Very good. My little chef, I love you so much, darling.
I love you. Mommy, in the vlog, we will do this.
Yeah, that is pork binagoongan.
Why?
Yes. We will cook it later. So, did you mix it well?
Yes, I'm mixing it very well.
So, can we cook it now?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm still stirring it. Done. Done.
Alright.
Now I'm going to cook. I'm ready to cook. Mommy, can we cook it?
Alright, we can cook. Magandang araw! Ako po si Lynette and kasama ko ang ating anak. Magluluto po tayo ngayon at tuturuan ko kayo magluto ng pork binagoongan. Do you like pork binagoongan?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready to cook?
Yes.
Okay,
yes,
let's get the
yes.
ingredients. Let's go, come on! Let's get the ingredients!
We are not leaving this vlog.
Oh, yes, we don't supposed to leave the vlog. Okay.
Tomatoes.
This is,
Eggplant.
yes.
Here.
This is a chopping board.
Chopping board. It's checked.
Chopping board. And this is the pork. Okay.
Chopping board is nice.
Yes.
Same as this.
Yes.
It's really soft.
Yes. It is soft, but it is still raw. So we need to cook. Okay?
It's soft like a ham.
Yes. So I will get other ingredients.
I will get it. What if the fly clicks of it?
Okay. So be careful. This is a knife. Only mommy can use this. Alright?
Yes.
Thank you. This is the garlic and the onion. This is salt.
I will put them here.
Ito yung ating bagoong alamang.
No, give me this.
Alright.
I will put them here.
Thank you for helping mommy.
I will get.
Ground black pepper. White vinegar. fish sauce. And I need this. Okay. Where are you, little chef? Okay, Mommy will slice. Okay?
Fish first.
Yeah. What is that? What are you eating, love? Yeah. What's a pizza? Like a pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Yes. Okay, careful please. Mommy will start to slice the garlic. No, I told you this is only for Mommy. Careful, anak. Oh, only leave it for Mommy, please.
I like to help you.
Oh, stop na. Ay, careful. You might have wound, you know? You might get hurt.
Why?
You know how much I love you?
Yes.
How much?
It's in your life.
Yes, you are my life. You love to cook, anak. Only cheese you are eating. Thank you. Thank you, Logan.
Yummy.
Yes. Thank you. Who bought that? Who gave you the pizza?
Wait, Mommy, I'm going to get my cookie.
All right. Which cookie?
Yes.
Ah. Okay.
I want without hair.
No, with hairnet, anak, because we are going to cook. Your hair might fall into the food.
To the food, one
Yes.
of them?
Yes.
No, double. I'm going
No need to slice that one. It's already sliced. When Mommy went to the store, Mommy already requested to the salesman to slice
Mommy,
it.
can we nail it?
You like?
Yes, we like to nail it to half.
No need, anak. That is the size. That is a perfect size for pork binagoongan.
No, it's not a perfect size. Only one.
Model po yung anak ko. Only one?
Yes.
Oh, can you please excuse Mommy? Mommy will...
Can you slice the half?
Anak, be careful. I'm slicing the ginger.
Ginger, what is
Yeah.
it?
Not ginger, sorry. This is a garlic. I'm sorry, it's a garlic.
To half size, this is correct.
You want half size? It's so small. This is a perfect size for pork binagoongan.
Can you slice
Yes.
this?
Hmm?
Can you slice this?
No, I told you that is the perfect size.
This is nice size.
Which
this
one?
looks like a jumbo.
Like what?
See, this looks like a jumbo.
Don't play the food, please. Don't play the pork.
You can cook this.
Mm-hmm.
Even I can do another slice of pork.
Mm-hmm.
Watch and see.
Anak, careful, oh.
Do you have more space?
No space for Mommy.
Here, I use 2 leg lights.
Really?
If
Alright, I'm done with the garlic. Slice na. Okay?
I'm done with these.
Then I will slice the onion. This is a large onion. What's that?
I am punching.
Ay, no, anak. Don't play this fork. This fork, please.
I punch it.
Hmm?
I will punch this.
No.
Why?
No. Don't play it. Just eat pizza. Watch mommy. How mommy is slicing the
I
onion.
don't like to cook.
You just want to watch?
Yes.
You want to remove the hairnet?
Yes.
Nakakayak po talaga ang sibuyas.
I want to watch.
Want to watch mommy? Nakaiyak po talaga ang sibuyas. Nakaiyak. Sabi nila, para huwag ka daw maiyak sa sibuyas, lagyan ng salt dito sa side. Before ka mag-slice ng onion. Done. Ito. And next is tomato. Tomato. Gusto ko ipil yung tomato. Sandali lang. Kukuha ako ng peeler. Kuha ako ng peeler. Kasi I want to peel the skin of these tomatoes. Galin muna natin tong ating mga balat-balat. And ang pizza ng anak ko na yun. Make sure, bago kayo maghiwa ng inyong mga ingredients or magluto, siguraduhin malinis ang ating kamay. Peel ko lang to. Peel natin. Ito pwede naman hindi nyo ipil. Kaya lang, feel ko siyang ipil. Sinipon ako sa onion. Yung tinatanggal ko rin yung seeds. Love? Where are you, love? Who gave you the clay dough?
Tita Judy.
Alright. So where is it?
It's in the room.
It's in the room? Did you keep it? Where did you get?
It was here.
Alright. There is some glitters I can see. Is it?
Yes. It's a glitter clay dough. I don't know how to use mold. Mommy, can you help me use molds
Yeah.
after you do vlog? Even this butterfly mold I don't need.
What?
Even this penguin I don't need.
Which penguin?
This one.
I'm having a conversation with my beautiful daughter.
I'm making the conference spot. Where is my tablet?
Where is your tablet? Then start. Tanggalin lang natin yung ano. Tinatanggal ko rin yung seeds. Yan. Dito na sa ed. Pag-prepare lang matagal, pero pag luluto, madali na. What? Yes, love.
I'm making pizza for
You're making.
everyone.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for making pizza for everybody.
I'm making it
Mm-hmm.
now. I will take care of this clay,
Mm-hmm.
of the glittery clay,
Yes.
of the glitter clay. I will play it with it every day.
Mm. And isa na lang. Tatapos na tayo magtanggal ng seeds. Ngayon, Deng, making nga akong tissue, please. I need tissue kasi masyadong wet yung aking hands. Thank you, Deng. Bain siya. Hiwa ko siya ng maliliit. Ito, meron pang seeds. Oh.
Mango.
Yes,
I'm
love?
making a fully form pot.
Ha?
I'm making a fully form pot.
What teleport, anak ko?
I'm using something.
What something?
Can you make me a cookie?
Yes.
Mommy, make me a cookie, but
After I cook this pork pinagoongan, I can bake a cookie for you.
this one by this.
What kind of cookie you want?
I want this one, and this one, and this one.
I think pwede naman ako maupo, no? Upo na lang kaya ako. Nangangalay eh.
Mommy, make a fully form pot.
Maliliit yung hiwa ko. Yung iba malalaki ang hiwa dito sa ano. Sa binagoongan. Ito aking. Tsaka ano to. 1.5 kilos of pork. Ang tomatoes ko is medium size. 5 pieces. And ito yung eggplant. Medyo mahilig kami sa ano, vegetables po. Not medyo. Hilig po talaga kami. Lalo na po asawa ko is Ilocano. Yan. Lalo na po akong baby. Taga Quezon po ako, pero natuto na po akong kumain ng maraming gulay. Kasi alam nating healthy, lalo na po ngayon na may anak na ako. Dati meron po akong mga vegetables na hindi nakakain. Pero ngayon kumakain na rin para syempre makita ng aking anak na dapat talagang kainin ang mga gulay. At alam nating masustansya yan sa ating katawan. Next. Hingin ko lang to. Hugasan ko lang to kasi aking i-slice tong eggplant. Yan, hinugasan ko lang tong chopping board. Ito ay kailangan ko para sa pagbabad nitong eggplant. Wala akong water. Sandali lang. Okay, ito. Kailangan natin lagyan ng water. Kasi pag natagalan, itong eggplant is nag-iitim. Let's put it there. So, ngayon. Anak, would you like to eat this more, your pizza?
No.
Why?
Because I had enough.
You had enough? Okay, can mommy eat it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll eat her pizza.
Eat the pizza.
Okay.
This
Malinis pa rin po ang aking hands. Hmm?
Hippo Island.
Hippo Island! Woo!
And camels live in the desert.
Slice ko lang siya ng...
Desert. This is a desert.
Yes! Perfect, love!
It's no visitors.
Ganyan. Tapos babad ko yun sa water para hindi siya umitim.
I will make
What?
an lion face.
Can you please say hi to our vlog?
Wait, I am making a lion guard.
Lion guard?
A lion guard.
Mm-hmm. Can you please come here? Say hi to the vlog. Come.
Wait, I am making his visitor is this one.
Busy po ang aking anak.
There's no time for me to say hi to the vlog.
Huh?
There's no time for
No time to say hi to the vlog?
yes.
I know because you made the island hippo. So creative, my daughter. I love you, daughter. I love you.
I'm too busy.
Narinig niyo po, too busy daw po siya.
I will later say I love you. I'm too busy making something.
Alright, I understand. So beautiful creation! I'm so in love with your Hippo Island. Wow!
This one are all his visitors and
Yes! But you know, there is one island which is very beautiful. It's like a paradise. It's Mommy's place. You know where is it?
yes.
In Polillo Island. It's Bordeos, Quezon. Perfect. It's a paradise. Yes.
I have a nice place where I live.
Where?
It's in Tropical Paradise 1 year ago.
Oh!
Year 1.
1 year ago, so you're just 2 years old that time?
Yes. And there was lovely flower roses.
Wow!
There's a hippo.
Aha!
I have scissors.
Yes.
For the
Okay.
clay.
Tapos na po akong mag-slice ng ating mga kakailanganin and nagbulahan na po kaming magnanay.
I will trim.
So ngayon, naka-ready na po ang ating
Hooray!
garlic, ang aking onion, ang aking tomatoes, ang aking pork, liempo, ground black pepper, ang aking patis, ang aking vinegar, ang aking eggplant, bagoong alamang, salt. Hindi na natin gagamitin kasi meron na tayong patis.
Mommy,
Nadala ko lang siya.
I cannot decide which background I can use. Which background?
My favorite is green. I think you can use the green.
Yes,
Yes?
I will try.
Alright. So, magluto na po tayo.
I use already the background.
Kata na po sa kitchen. Kata na. Ah, yes.
My turn.
What did you say?
I am beautiful. Tell to the vloggers I'm beautiful.
Okay. Vloggers, my daughter is beautiful. So, I'm going to cook.
I don't need to cook. So boring cooking.
Huh?
So boring cooking.
So, what are you going to do? Mommy will cook. You want to go with mommy? Okay.
No time.
No time? So, ikaw na ang busy.
We're not busy.
So, ikaw na ang busy. So, kata na po, magluluto na po talaga tayo ng pork binagoongan. Ayan, at kumpleto na po ang ating mga ingredients sa ating pagluluto.
Bye to me.
Bye! Bye! You're busy?
Yeah.
Ito po yung mga ingredients natin. Meron tayong oil, garlic, onion, bagoong alamang, tomatoes, vinegar, ground black pepper. Ito pong patis is as needed lang. And ito din pong chili, it's optional kung gusto nyo pong medyo maanghang. Siyempre, ang ating pork at ang ating eggplant. See you po sa kitchen. Tara na, tara na, tara na. Ayan. Itong aking frying pan, meron na siyang oil. So, sa tingin ko, mainit na rin siya. Sa pagluluto ng pork binagoongan, dapat i-fry mo muna yung iyong eggplant. At sa pagpa-fry ng eggplant, dapat inuuna itong side na to. Itong skin side. Yan. Para hindi siya mag-absorb ng maraming oil. Okay, ito namang kabilang side. Yan. Perfect. Alright. Kaya mo yung isa? Jaran! Luto na ang ating eggplant, ang ating fried eggplant. So, magluluto na tayo ng pork binagoongan. Let's begin. First, i-sear natin ang ating pork. I-sear lang natin until golden brown or mag-brown. Hayaan lang natin siyang mag-render ng fat. And yung fat na marerender niya, isasama natin siya sa pagluluto. Kapag sangkot siya ng garlic and onion. Ayan o. Kita nyo may fat siyang ano. Yan. Yan, okay na to. I-set aside natin. Nanggalin ko na siya. Okay na tong pagka-brown na ganito. So, ito, since marami na siyang oil, hindi na ako mag-a-add ng oil. Ito na yung gagamitin natin na pang-saute ng garlic and onion. Sunod natin this onion. Hintayin lang natin maluto ng ilang minutes. And then, ibalik natin itong na-sear na pork. Ilagay ang bagoong alamang. Haluin. add the tomatoes. Lagay natin ang pepper. Let's add sugar. And let's add vinegar. .5 tablespoons. Hayaan lang natin mag-evaporate yung smell ng sugar. And then, ating hahaluin. Then, add water. Cover natin until the liquid absorb and the pork is tender. ito luto na. Kung gusto nyo ng saucy, pwede na to. Pero kung gusto nyo mas dry pa, more luto pa. And ready na ang ating pork binagoongan. Ilagay na natin ang chili. Ang chili, depende sa preference nyo. Pwede nyong isama siya habang pinapakulo kanina para mas maanghang. Pero ako, ngayon ko lang siya nilagay para hindi siya ganun kaanghang. Kasi meron akong kasalo na hindi ganun kalakas yung tolerance sa spicy food. So, para lang merong konting kick. And remember, itong ating eggplant na na-fry kanina, sasama na natin siya dito. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng patis kasi okay na yung lasa niya, tama na yung kanyang alat dahil sa bagoong alamang. Ayan. Pork binagoongan is ready. Tawagin ko na asawa ko para matikman tong aking niluto. Ito yung jelly na pinapaluto sa akin ng aking anak. Buko pandan flavor. Haluin natin. Ayan o, green na green. Nihintay niya to kanina pa eh. Before kami magluto ng binagoongan, gusto niya lutuin na namin to. Ngayon, di pa kumukulo. Pero kailangan consistent ang paghalo nito. Depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo itong lagyan ng sugar or plain lang. Yung walang masyadong tamis. Ito, nilagyan ko siya ng konting sugar. Here's your jelly, my beautiful princess. Mommy cook it already. Are you happy? Yes, we can put here. Let's pour.
On here.
Anak, careful. Your hand. This is very hot. Oh, can you please leave it? Okay, let's pour. Are you happy? Wow, what is the color of this jelly?
Green.
Very good. So,
Green.
let's put it here.
It's number 4.
Yes. Let's pour again.
That's number 3.
Wow. So, 3, 4. Wait, this is double. So, one more.
It's 1.
So, how many jelly you have now? Oops. No more. It's no more. Let's pour it here. Little bit. Okay. Are you happy? Huh?
Yay.
Hmm? I love you. I love you so much, daughter. Here's your jelly. You have 3 jellies now.
Mommy, what about another one?
This one is extra.
Extra?
Yes. But these 3 trays are enough to pour the jellies. What can you say to mommy?
Mommy, put in the fridge, Mommy.
Alright, once it's cooled down, I will put in the fridge.
No, you put in the fridge now.
No, it's still hot.
Please, make it cold in the fridge. The fridge is cold.
Alright.
The fridge is cold. Make it. Do it in the fridge. Put these 3 jellies in the floor.
Yes? What can you say about your jelly?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Once it's cooled down, can you put it in the fridge?
Sure. I love you so much.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Ay, sus. Okay. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye.